Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build this motorcycle right here. And without further ado, let's get started. So you will need a few pieces to build this motorcycle. Well, you're going to need a motorcycle base. I got my motorcycle from one of the X-Men sets back then. So yeah, so we're going to start with the motorcycle base. And you're going to need 2 T connectors, like that, and 2 cone pieces, like this. So what you're going to do is take your T-pin and your cone and connect them. And do it again for the other one, so that. Now, I'm going to take this Technic hole right there and put in your T-pins and cones, just like that. And do it for the other side. And that is the base of your motorcycle complete. Now for the top part of the motorcycle, where most of the parts are needed, you are going to need, of course, the top of the motorcycle, 2 clear studs, or any clear studs if you want to be creative. 2 1x1 tiles, circular tiles. I'm using these ones from the Star Wars line that have printing on them to give it just a little more detail. One of these wheel pieces, 2 of these clips, and then 1 curved piece like that. And then also, if you want, you can have accessories. I'm using a pistol and a walkie-talkie. So you will first take your wheel piece and 1 of your clear studs and put them together like that. Then you will take the base, your motorcycle base, and stick it on like that. Next, you will take your other clear stud and your curved piece, put it like that. Now you will connect it to the motorcycle, just like that. Now you will connect the clip and the clips and the studs together with the tiles, just like that. Now you will put them on to the studs on the side of the motorcycle and then curve them up slightly. And now you will connect it like that. And now you can put on your accessories to really complete the bike. So right now I have my pistol on this clip and the walkie-talkie on this one. So that is how you make a cool Lego motorcycle. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.